Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? I hope all you will fine. Today we talk about initial listing gate and gate list toward asset spot trading and launch holder and airdrop. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Today we discuss the project that gives the gate from gate side. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. And the holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holders after the reward assets airdrop concludes. No funds will be deducted from participants, and INC. That's an amazing topic that Kate will give me. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. And aims to realization real world assets finance through blockchain and appear infusing physical assets with new validity. And finance through blockchain and API infusing physical assets with new validity, and the platform integrates on chain and assets are chain dual committee and compliance mechanism. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. I hope all you will fine. So today we talk about the DeFi. It offers minutes and the real estate artificious. Welcome crypto use shadow of my name. Welcome Maria Diago. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. And AI computing power. It offers minute level exit solutions transforming traditional and AIM liquidity, POS, real estate, and traditional finance with efficiency, compliant RWA, and for global users, and 2025 9 2016 and 2025 9 13. And project highlights what protocol leverages RFI dual tokens architecture and AMM liquidity pool for real world. And AM liquidity pools for real world assets exit in 10 minutes, surprising traditional RWA 180 day cycles. It supports Ethereum and Solana and Polygon cross chain transfers, and with the layer 0 and wormhole dual verifications for security, integrated chain layers and KYC and AML. Welcome Queen Determines Wealth. Welcome to On Chain Socks. Thank you so much. and often Zeppelin dependent and DAO governance tied to SPV structure and guarantee institutions create security and assets. Alignment. Token economics. Uh, the INC enable holder of tokenized RW assets to receive fixed USD brand returns with INC serving as the vehicle for distributing these profits and backed by the USD cash flow of underlying asset. INC sports liquidity and value stability benefits include participations in RWA DeFi decentralized composite financial product ecosystem. Welcome Skyfall. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. And technical overview. Quad protocol enables minutes level assets exit are WAFI dual token and liquidity pools. Its cross and chain framework supports fast Ethereum and Solana and Polygon transfer layer 0 from all ensure security chain analysis provides on-chain compliance and Genesis safe with clear governance guarantees and institutions grade security and assets alignment. Token circulation status initial liquidity 30%, 2% unlock at TG 6-month clip and linear vesting over 18 months and market reserve 30%, 2%. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. And market reserve, welcome Atacon. Thank you so much Atacon for joining my live stream. And in linear vesting or 18 month. Token circulation status. Token circulation linear initial liquidity 30%, 2% unlock at TG 6-month clip linear vesting over 18 month market reserve 30%, 2% unlock at TG. Welcome T-Rex. Thank you so much T-Rex for joining my live stream. Welcome John for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome Istanbul, welcome T-Rex, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Risk reminder. The trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to technical, legal, welcome Discovery, my friend, after a long time. Hello Discovery, how are you? Thank you for joining my live stream, Discovery. Welcome. Thank you, Discovery, for the beautiful gift from your side. Where is my second friend, the self? Thank you, my dear. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Good to see you, Discovery. After a long time, I will see you, and I was very happy after seeing you on my live stream. Thank you so much. Trading market for this currency may experience and significant fluctuations. And due to technical, legal, and regulatory and other factors, please under the projectivities and conduct adequate market research. And before participating, it cannot guarantee that this currency will be listed on exchange. Cryptozan, my friend. My beautiful friend Cryptozan. Welcome it again. And the final listing status will depend on many factors and is subject to official listing announcement. By participating in this project, you accept our airdrop terms and conditions. Okay, now we have the beautiful website of the INC. Digital gold, smarter home, accessible and investment for all. Cryptos and same project I have. Okay, Cryptozan. समझ सकता हूँ. Oh, welcome all of you. Thank you so much. Digital gold, smart, more accessible investment for all. Cryptozan, are you ready after my live stream? What assets protocol and what protocols is the ETCN relies chain assets but also intact US real dollar income of the assets on the chain, and the good anytime with enhanced and liquidity, transparency and security. Say what a protocol, technical solutions protocol for blockchain financial liquidity that integrates physical assets on chain. Welcome little sheepoo. Solve the core problem of RWA barriers and step into the future investment. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Welcome Cryptozan again. Thank you so much. Welcome purple rice marshmallow. Amazing name. Purple rice marshmallow. Amazing name. Welcome Jean Con. Okay, amazing name. Jean Con. Discovery. I'm really very happy to see you. Please return to your streams. This is not in Zan hand Discovery. It's now Kate hand. That and what assets unlock AI assets potential, leverage ATC and tokenizations, and unlock future technological gains, drive innovations, and transform digital assets market for a smart, more efficient future. And investment flexibility. I also apologize very much. This is not your mistake. Discovery. Why are you apologize? Competitive edge. Competing with the Apora shows strong market performance. Strategic investment. Apora has secured strategic investment from AMD and market performance. Strategic investment. Apora has secured strategic investment from AMD and strengthening its technological capabilities in the real AI sector. And IPO readiness and pre-IPO patience complete with plans to enter the capital market asset tokenization plan 20 plus equity and tokenized on CWD platform to boost liquidity. Golden RWA is now open. World assets, digital gold for stream discovery. Represent why I will definitely never come to the stream again. Uh, World assets transform gold into digital tokens, making investment easier, faster, and globally accessible. Trade, store, and manage your gold assets securely with just a digital wallet. Unlock new opportunities for wealth growth with world assets. And physical easier and physical gold assets NFT. With world assets, gold is tokenized and can be easily traded and managed by a digital wallet, making discovery my account is more no more because have you know and trade and managed by a digital wallet, making it accessible to everyone anytime. I have been very sad for days. It was never my intentions to hurt anyone. No, no, discovery. It's not your mistake, and it's not your. Try to understand, please. And everyone, anytime, anywhere, and global reach. You can invest in gold from anywhere in the world, removing geographic and restrictions and providing a truly global investment opportunity. Lower investment barriers. Tokenizations allow for fractional ownership, meaning you can invest in gold with lower initial capital, making it more affordable for all investors. Physical gold, are we the reason? Conversion of physical gold assets to NFT. Physical gold assets are first converted into digital assets represented by a corresponding NFT, and each NFT response is represent a specific. Uh, Please don't worry, discovery. It's not your reason. I upset because of my account KYC checked. Each NFT represents a specific quantity of gold, enabling it to be traded and managed through the blockchain token minting process. During the minting process, the real-time gold price is used as a reference. For instance, if the real-time price it's and once of gold is 2.644.42, the NFT and is converted into tokens accordingly. For example, 1 ounce of gold would be minted into 2.644.42 ATC tokens. One ATC token equivalent value of 1 unit of digital gold assets. And minting example, once of gold. How could such a thing happen? And once of gold 2.644.42 minting process and 2.644.42 etc tokens by once of gold NFT redemptions process. When an investor wishes to redeem tokens for physical gold, the real time gold price is again applied if the current real time price is and again applied if the current real-time price is once of the gold 2.644.42. Investor can redeem 2.644 tokens for 1 ounce of gold. This redemptions example 2.644 ATC tokens, one worms, and copper gold. What asset new financially? Ecology. Through four stages of representation of real assets and tokenizations and liquidity trading and tokenized assets, withdrawal to real asset ensure. Welcome Little Gain, welcome King of Queens, welcome Down Change Socks for Q. Thank you so much, all of you. And ensure the implementations of RWA. Please, CryptoZan, don't use these words on my live stream because sometimes it's a banned word on in every anyone's stream, like you use. And RWAizations, NFT confirmations of ownership, and not speculations, assets authenticity confirmations, documents, legal document audit reports, asset value accords, prospectus, market. Understand, but I'm very sad. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining my live stream. Complete assets NFT casting through ERC 721 to realize the on chain of real assets. Amazing website that you know. Token model. Dual currency model is equal to asset token plus income token, and ATC assets property stable coin 1 ATC 1 USDT and USDC cannot be used to advance on the assets. NFT can be minted with equal value of ATC. INC income coin assets income token it up 5 value is supported by assets income and appreciations, and then market circulates and issued by ERC20 with total of 300 million tokens. And RWAFI is equal to DAFI assets value spot. I am sorry I can't entertain you anymore. This is my last means of reaching you. And RW अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. मानी भाई मजाक नहीं उड़ा रही मैं, फिल्म मेरा भी उड़ी है. Liquid traditional assets provide high quality financial product and trading service for individuals and institutions. And what AMM liquidity pool, ATC and INC pledge pool, and ATC ETH pledge pool, and LP INC USDT pledge pool, and token is assets and tokenized asset. Welcome Queen determines wealth. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Tokenized assets withdrawal to real asset, and when users hold a sufficient number of ATC and token and wish to acquire physical assets from the What Assets package, we will assist them in obtaining and transferring a desired physical assets according to the requirement and procedure. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining my live stream. physical assets holding and transfer. And dual currency model. The dual currency model can balance the two key. My intention was just to make you smile a little during streams. And the dual currency model is can balance the two key points of assets ownership and assets returns, establishing a beginning and healthy model to better promote and development of token economics and etc. Token based on ERC20 standard and stable currency representing assets, property rights to the what protocol and platform. It's generated by asset and NFT minting and etc. Assets can be held to obtain a fixed 5% return. Can participate. Welcome Anna. Welcome Anna. And obtain more returns can be exchanged for real asset exit. Welcome Anna 1974 1974. Nice. INC assets income token and appreciations in the market circulates freely, directly obtaining various DAX, CEX and transactions and excess INC income and can be obtained through RWAFI to participate in liquidity staking. RWAFI is DAPI breaks the new era and RWAFI successfully introduced real world assets not only produced value spot for crypto with physical assets but also solve the problem. Crypto discovery. Why are you laughing, brother? Are you are you watch the grip timing? And the 500 million, 500 trillion dollar is global assets will infinitely expand and space of DeFi and create of decentralized and finance stronger liquidity and more institutional users and a more confident market. What AMM liquidity pool and ATC INC and pledge pool and LP. Welcome little ship you and pledge pool and LP IB USDT pledge pool and more. Yes, cryptozan I am जहाँ आप सोच रहे हैं मैं वहीं हूँ बट आप थोड़ा वेट करें मुझे उससे पूछना पड़ेगा पहले क्योंकि मेरी अभी तक उससे बात नहीं हुई है तो थोड़ी देर वेट करें मैं बताता हूँ आप गुड डे टू एवरीवन गुड बाय वेल थैंक यू डिस्कवरी फॉर कमिंग ऑन माई लाइव स्ट्रीम आई होप थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी and more illogical union and ATC currency and provide RWA5 with rich creative gameplay. The assets that can be accepted by the CWD and asset package bro answer me ब्रो मैंने आपको कहा है कि मेरा अभी आप वेट करें क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक उससे बात नहीं करी दोबारा सो जब वो आंसर कर देगा उस हिसाब से ही मैं आपको बता सकूँगा लाइव के बाद मैं उससे बात करता हूँ तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ थोड़ा वेट करें एंड asset package include real assets such as equity stocks bonds real estate art luxury goods precious metals and AI applications and computing power to enter CW assets package. You must meet the standard requirement of the CWD protocol and pass the consensus review of POS and DAO. Diversity document providing the authenticity of assets, the confirmations document, legal documentation, audit and reports, prospectus and market awareness of can be all be viewed and download. And POS do you ensure and regulatory compliance of the process, early asset side in order to ensure the rapid establishment of what market liquidity and assets types will be based on high quality corporate equity and stocks as the primary choices. Welcome Crypto Insights. Thank you so much Crypto Insight for joining my live stream. And companies to be listed and stock of large multinational companies with high quality market reputations and asset changing through the ERC 721 classic protocol standard casting on chain assets. NFTs is completed to achieve the chain based confirmation of real estate stability and grunting. ATC assets stablecoin and USDT USDC aim to maintain its value, stability, convenience, and security of assets. And accounting and INC income coin carrying value, appreciations of bubbles, fluctuation with market prices ensure the healthy development of the token ecosystem. Supervision and transparency in order to ensure the rapid establishment of CWD market liquidity. The early assets type will be high quality corporate equity and stock as the first choice, such as equity and stock of AI companies, equity and options of companies, and to be listed and companies with high quality market visibility and multinational enterprises. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. So supervision and transparency in order to ensure a rapid establishment to CWD market and the early assets type will be high quality corporate equity stock as the first choice, such as equity and stock of AI companies, equity and options of companies to be listed, and companies with high quality market visibility, large multinational enterprise stock etc. Investment institutions. What asset has received investment from multi capitals covering both traditional and crypto investment circles? And auditing institutions, what assets audits include contract security audits and compliance audit of real assets. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. What assets FAQ? Thank you so much all of you. Welcome Memo, welcome Get User, welcome Skyfall. The vision of the word assets and platform is to create a new financial paradigm for the world by leveraging good stream. Thank you, Get User. Thank you so much for your beautiful compliment. Financial paradigm and for the world leveraging blockchain technology and FAI models of assets investment allocations management trading and financing, providing global users and with RWA solutions for real assets including equity, stock, bonds, real estate, artwork, luxury goods, precious metals, AI applications, and computing power. Connecting real assets to create new value of the crypto, the dual token model of the war protocol will offer fresh and resilient volatility guarantees and for market participation such as real assets providers, buyers, tokens holders, quantitative trading and teams and fund teams. At the Watt asset package continues to expand the liquidity, continues to improve the Watt protocol platform, could also a financing platform for high quality global enterprise. At that time, Nasdaq exchange on the blockchain will emerge. What can I get if I hold UTC? ATC can be exchanged for real assets. Holding ATC can get a fixed 5% return INC token. Participate in RWA decentralized finance, POS, and asset issuance decision making power. In INC for profit maximization. INC is the income token of ecosystem carrying the stable income assets, appreciations and assets volatility physical asset. And it is the cornerstone of the ecosystem. INC is a convenient way to participate in the ecosystem and an important solution for the ecosystem liquidity. And is the real RWA. As you can see, there are real assets entering the legal compliance allowed to dual currency model solve the adaptability to tokenization has assets access capabilities. Or loved by crypto, the capital blockchain industry is progressing. This is the real RW. You will be the public chains or exchange in the future. Yes, the super assets volume and the liquidity will prompt such withdrawal from the first RW public chain and RW assets exchange. This is the real implementation of RWA. Blockchain finance, this is one piece. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Now we have the word docs. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. The World Assets platform is an innovative financial service platform for the tokenizations of real world assets through the war protocol. The platform integrates on shared physical assets, a dual token model plus assets yield token Welcome Memo, welcome Jen. At the same time, it efficiently addresses issues to traditional financial market, process information asymmetry to high regulatory cost. Word assets. Vision and goals. The vision of the word assets word platform to create a financial paradigm. The word leveraging blockchain technology of DeFi. It aims to bring new vitality to real estate. The word protocol platform reshape and traditional, providing global users with RW solutions for real assets including equity, stock, bonds, real estate, artwork, luxury goods, precious metals, and AI applications and computing power. Connecting real assets to create a new value of crypto. The dual token model of the Watt protocol will offer fresh and resilient validity guarantees for market participants such as real assets providers, buyers, tokens holder, quantitative trading teams, and fund teams. And as the Watt assets package contribute to action, liquidity continue to improve. The Watt protocol platform would also become a financing platform and the change of the blockchain will engage. Welcome, Mario Diago. As the World Assets platform, the World Asset World platform is an innovative financial service platform for the true tokenization of real world assets through the World protocol. The platform integrates on-chain physical assets. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Through the World protocol, the platform and model dual token model assets ownership assets yield RWA and liquidity POS assets community assets compliance and a complete loss look up tokenize achieving the true implementation of RWA. What data sets platform basic. The blockchain mechanism of what protocol will operate in four stages. Stage 1 on chain real assetization and real assets group is achieved through the documentation such as proof of real world assets and the title deeds, legal documentation, audit reports. Assets value proof is achieved through the evaluations of reports, market search reports, prospectus, and market recommendations, and using diversified data assets, metadata, and the class ERC. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. The standard is used to mint NFT of the chain assets. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. And using diversified data is assets, metadata, the classic. Using diversified data and assets metadata, the classic ERC721 protocol standard is used to mint NFT blockchain assets. And the true meaning of NFT is ownership verification and non-subculations and stage 2 assets coin and ownership stable coin. The assets NFT will mint assets ownership tokens and ATC through the WAT-M and to ensure the value measurement standard of the assets and the future expansion of the assets package. One ATC is packed to one as USD USDC, making ATC as stable coin each time the WAT assets package increase by the value of the X dollars in the real assets, and the WAT protocol will automatically mint X ATCS. The newly minted ATCS as will belong the assets providers who can add them to the WAT AMM liquidity pool to provide market liquidity and earn transactions fee income from liquidity spot. Participate in WAT RWAFI to earn returns, freely trade them or simply hold them to earn fixed income token returns. INC is the yield token that ATC holders can earn issued under the ERC20 protocol. The yield rate is set at 5% per annum based on the world's standard high quality assets. The standard yield of US Treasury bonds, the distribution of yield is automatically executed by the WAT Income Smart. Welcome, Kavya. During execution, snapshots of the average ATC holdings over the previous period is taken and the yield is calculated based on the real-time market price of INC at the time of distribution. The corresponding amount of INC is the distribution to the chain address holding ATC. INC carries on-chain yield of the assets and reflect the asset of the future appreciation in the value performance. INC can be obtained only by holding ATC to earn fixed annual yield of 5%, but also by trading directly on various TGX and CGX. Additionally, you can participate in RWAFI to earn additional INC yield through liquidity staking. And step 3, RWAFI liquidity. RWAFI will gradually open multiple product and module and to ensure token assets are converted back into real world assets, and the WAT protocol meets this requirement when users hold a sufficient amount of ATC in which to obtain specific real assets from the WAT assets package and capabilities to assist customers and real world ownership and transfer requirement process. Any assets in the WAT assets package can be excited in reality, creating a complete closed loop of assets and tokenizations and re-assetizations. And welcome Remy. This allows this WAT dual token model ATC and ANC to create its own financial regulations and volatility through depilations and inflations and another self-adjustment. WAT asset package. The WAT asset package can accommodate assets including equity, stocks, bond, real estate, artworks, luxury goods, precious metal, AI applications, and computing power to be included in the WAT asset package, and asset must meet the WAT protocol standard and pass the POS and DS consciousness review. Early asset type ensure the rapid establishment of market liquidity for WAT. The Initial assets type will primarily include equity and stock of high quality companies, and examples of include equity and stock of AI companies, equity and options of pre-IPO companies, and stock of large multinational companies with strong market reputation. On-chain sterilizations, and by using the classic ERC21 protocol standard, NFTs off-chain assets are minted to ensure the on-chain ownership verification of real assets. Stability assurance ATC is stablecoin backed, and one ATC, one USDC. Welcome Mario Dogo. I need $1, please. I also need $1. And accounting INC coin is a yield coin that carry value appreciations and bubbles fluctuating with market price to ensure the healthy appreciations for bubble fluctuating with market price and healthy token environment. Regulation and transparency. All tokenized assets will come with complete compliance and transparency and documentation of requirement and proof of assets authenticity, title deeds, legal documentations, audit report, assets and valuations report, market research reports, and prospectus and market recommendations reports can all be viewed and downloaded at any time, and ensuring process transparency and regulatory compliance. Diversity. Deep assets diversity not only gives investors greater flexibility and choice when building their portfolios, but also effectively diversifies investment risk, enhancing the overall safety and stability investment by including physical assets in a crypto investment portfolio. The boundaries of the portfolio to further expanded, presenting a broader or multi-layered investment field for investor. It meets the different needs of various investors and achieving diversified and efficient asset allocation. RWAFI, any era of DeFi. The RWAFI of the WAR protocol successfully introduces real-world assets, providing tangible assets value support for crypto and solving the causing the chaos problem of DeFi. This significantly expands the reach of DeFi, us heading in a new era of decentralized finance. The dual token model of ATC and INC offer rich and creative welcome upside down staking pool and LP for multiple ecosystem such as market DAO and asset tokenization, while a variety of DeFi product will create an investment needs of different users and institutions. What not only provides high quality investment products for DeFi users and institutions users, but also for super liquidity issue more and higher quality assets will join the WAT ecosystem and include in the WAT assets package infinitely expanding the market scale of WAT. Additionally, due to token model, ATC will be infinity minted and INC due to fixed quantity model seed value rise through market regulations. Dual token model. And ATC assets coin token minting and token initial token supply. ATC is the stablecoin representing assets ownership on the Watt protocol platform. The minting process is directly tied to value of Watt assets and the package ensuring that each issued ETC is backed by equivalent value of real assets. And assets memorandum, a Canadian AI company invested in by AMD comparable to NVIDIA subsidiary Unite Airdrop HODLer ending time September 2025. Total supply for 0.00 INC to unlocking rule unlock 100%. Trading starts September 2025 12 and trading pair INC USDT participation rule. Complete identity verification and hold at least one GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding. Snapshots proportion the maximum participation limit for users in the EVNT in 10100 GT. How to claim? Log into about what assets aim to revitalization real world assets finance through blockchain and infusing physical assets with the new the platform integrates on chain assets dual token model and AMM liquidity POS assets committee and compliance mechanisms supporting tokenizations and equities and art precious and AI computing power. It offers minute level exit solutions transforming and traditional finance with efficient compliant RWA solutions and global users. Token distributions and the foundation is at 20% zero unlock at TG 12 monthly free investing over 18 month and equal development 5% zero unlock at TG unlock corresponding reward at PG ecological development team reserve 15% 0% unlock at TG 8 monthly free investing over 24 month website. Gate token is a unique exchange token of the Gate exchange and the native token of the Gate chain public chain or Please complete identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy and arises between a translated and original English, Gate reserve all rights to final explanations. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot the service participating in the event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details. Risk warning: the HODLer Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and still is early stages of product operation, underlying and technology and legal environment and may pose significant risk. The project team does not guarantee that of project and other related regulatory activities might continued significant risk, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate inherent risk of the crypto asset investment. Gateway to crypto trade over 3.500 cryptocurrencies quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 110.00 in welcome reward in your fund and earn 40% commissions. Visit official Gate website and download the Gate app. Join our Telegram community to trending topics. Engage with global community for latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Thank you so much, all of you, for continuously watching my live stream. I hope you will gain amazing knowledge about this token. First, we have discussed that INC, and then we go on the main launch pool, then we go to the website, and then we read the documentation and white paper. So, now the topic is ended. I hope you will gain amazing knowledge. So, I hope you will join me in my next stream. So, thank you and Allah Hafiz.